Ever found yourself with internet on your Android but your iPhone stuck in the digital dark ages? Don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Android's Wi-Fi with your iPhone in a snap. First, grab your Android phone and head into the Settings app, then look for Wi-Fi and Network Connections, or Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Depending on your Android device, tap on it to proceed. Now, find Mobile Hotspot or Wi-Fi Hotspot. This might be under Tethering or a similar heading, so have a quick scan. Once you spot it, tap to open the settings. Alright, you should see an option to turn on your Mobile Hotspot toggle that switch to the on position. When you turn the hotspot on for the first time, you'll probably have to set up a password. Set a strong but easy to remember password. This is what your iPhone will use to connect. You can also customize the hotspot name, known as the SSID if you like. Keep it simple. Now, grab your iPhone and go to the Settings app, tap on Wi-Fi, and your Android hotspot name should appear in the list of available networks. Select your Android's hotspot name, and you'll be prompted to enter the password you just created on your Android device. Type it in carefully and tap Join. And that's it. You're now sharing your Android's internet connection with your iPhone. You should see the Wi-Fi symbol on your iPhone confirming you are connected. Now you can browse, stream, and do whatever you need to do, all thanks to your Android device.